We are often annoyed by the splatter, stains and marks. But have we ever thought that this can be a great starting point for your drawing? So in today's video, we will use these splatter, stains and marks to make drawings. Yes, you heard it right. We will use these splatters and stains to make awesome drawings. So let's get started. Okay, so here we have our stain. Now what to do? Yes, what I'm doing now is just working on my rough idea. My idea is that I'll make this a flying orb. Yes, a flying orb with multiple eyes. Crazy, right? But that's how I want to design my character. So I start adding eyes, which are in form of reflections. Now I add a smile and some eyes with some shading, and next a flame-throwing nozzle. Next I start creating the stains. I start by dabbing different colors binded on a cotton ball. I use different intensity, and next I use my hair dryer to dry them up. Once this is done, next I just take the rough shape and start adding characters to them. In this case, I am just making a guy with flying hair. It's your idea and your imagination that will give it some shape. See how I use that as the neck. Next, it's time for the flying cat. Now this is another wild idea that came into my mind. I use the different part of the splatter as the limbs and the mustache of the cat, and that's how it takes the shape. Next, it's time for the flying chicken. So if the cat is flying, why not the chicken? So hence add some feathers and the rough idea with some imagination to create the form. The trick behind all these drawings are to keep your mind free and let your idea take the wing. So now it's a time for a porcupine running away with some wood log. As I go on, I start adding more and more features. I add the stingers and give some outline, some shading, and there it is. Next, I'll be drawing some different shape. It's a sneezing elephant. As I told you, the idea has to be wild enough. Next, some random creature with some eggs on its back. Next, we have a different kind of cat from some different planet. After that, we go to R.K. Lakshman's Common Man and mixed it with Simpsons. Next we have a very happy-go-lucky, charming bull. And that's all folks for this episode. Hope your ideas will also take wing with this drawing session. Until then, bye.